All right, it's time to do a Corpus 100 token base. Here's what I use. 10 breachers go in first. I have 18 techs that I'm going to use, 14 of them with flames, 4 with bullets. I have 18 more techs, 14 of them have air, 4 with just bullets. And then I'm going to follow that up with Jug and a caretaker. Let's clean the space out. Let's just see how easy this can be. But, oh yes, we get lag. We get to wait. All right. First thing first. We get to wait till the lag finishes. Hurry up and wait. All right, we got to get rid of this because if we don't, we're going to get a bunch. So we're going to send. Come on, open up. Oh yeah, so we're in the lag. Okay, 1 dead eye. We get rid of this, and then we won't have any. This sends Apollos. Well, if we clear that up, we won't. We're going to send the breachers in. We're going to send in 10 breachers. And they're going to clean out the 2 phalanx. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Take that off of Ruby. Don't want Ruby involved. We got to kill these 2 phalanx. So as soon as those 2 are dead, and breachers do a great job, and the up getting almost no repair time. Oh, we almost got it. We didn't quite get it. Normally I get it in 1 try. I pulled them back too quickly. That's all right. Once we get rid of the phalanx, and we'll follow it up. I'll show you how we clear the space. And we should end up with almost no repair on the breacher. See, this one's almost dead. This one's dead. We'll just send them in. We get the joy of waiting for the lag to get over. Okay, that's the first set of lag. Now we get lag again. What a good idea. This is what takes so long, is waiting for Kixeye to get their act together. But they have no intention of doing that. All right. So we'll send in 10 breachers. We'll just wait right here. Phalanx will come to us. They'll kill it. We'll retreat them, and then we'll get rid of the Apollos. The Apollos are coming, but we won't deal with them. Just got to get rid of the phalanx. They'll do that pretty quickly. Boom, gone. All right, retreat them. So the breachers are gone. We don't need them anymore. Send them home. Now we're going to use the Technicals anti-air. We're going to get rid of the Apollos. We're going to get rid of the Furies. But we have the joy of waiting while it reloads. This Apollo and this Apollo are going to attack. We're going to take them out with the Technicals anti-air. And we have to wait. That's the biggest pain in the neck about this, is not what you have to do, but you have to sit and wait for Kixeye. All right, there you go. All right, let's send the techs in. I send them over here because that's where the Apollos are coming. We'll clear them out. Our goal is to have no damage. Doesn't always happen, but that's our goal. Just slowly kill them. Take your time. Clean them out. Oh, I just screwed up. That's all right. Well, we got a little bit of damage because I clicked up. Now, we take out the Furies. I'm going to come over here and take out the Furies. Okay, there's one. Let's get the other one. We're going to get him on both sides. Sometimes he'll move. If he does, we can just kill him. If he doesn't, we're all good to go. Okay, the Furies are gone. They will damage our Jug if we don't clear them out. So, anti-air will clear them out. Let's get rid of the 2 Furies over here. One more. Sometimes this phalanx moves. If he does, we'll kill him. I can get him to move. There you go. I got him to move. I want him to move because I want to kill him. Come on. Fire. There you go. Now we just leave. Minimal damage. Now we got to go over and get rid of the other phalanx on the other side. So we'll send the air home. We'll repair them when we get there. Hurry up and wait, which we can't get enough of. This base is almost done. Because after this, we're just going to send in the jug and we're going to clean it out. We got to get rid of this phalanx. So we'll send in the flames. Technicals. You can set them up any way you want. I usually send them up with 14 with flames, 4 with bullets. Get rid of that so we can see better. All right. Go to about here and they'll start moving. Once they start moving, we'll kill them. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. So there, it's gone. Once the phalanx is gone, just stop and you don't have to kill the rest of the Spartans. All right. You're done. Now we're just going to send in the jug, and the jug is going to clear the base. Just be patient. Don't be in a hurry. And you'll get about 15 to 20 minutes of repair on the caretaker. That's it. So that's literally how easy it is to clear out a corpse. And you'll get 2 medals. 2 tokens. Not medals, 2 tokens for a Corpus unit. So we'll see which ones we get this time. All right. The lag is so bad you can't even see your weapons. Hey, Kicks Eye, aren't you wonderful? Basically, that's a jug and a caretaker. They'll show up eventually. It's important where you shoot and what you do. You shoot and you retreat just a little bit. Shoot, now you retreat. When you retreat, the Apollos will stop attacking. See, they're attacking? They're stopped because you retreated. Now we got to get rid of this Draken. We killed this Draken over here with the first shot. We got to get rid of this Draken. If we don't, he will do serious damage. You shoot and retreat just a little bit. The only reason you retreat a little bit is so that these Apollos will stop attacking. Okay, they go back. Now we're going to get rid of those 2 Apollos. Just go down the middle, and they'll clear out all this stuff here. And then after we shoot that, we're going to shoot this, because he's going to start to move, and we want to kill him. And as soon as we shoot, hurry up, shoot, we take off. You'll get a couple of shots in. Now we just need to stop, and then he'll go back. Come on, there you go. He goes back. Okay, now we come back. Again, the last one, you shoot this one here, and you'll kill him. You shoot this one here, and you'll kill him. Where you shoot is vitally important. So we're going to go down here. This will get his attention. Got his attention. Now we'll shoot it again, and he's dead. We'll retreat in case he wants to get a little too close, but that'll kill him. He's gone. All right, now we're going to shoot here. And we're going to retreat immediately because we don't want that Apollo to attack. This will clear out this whole side. 1 shot here. As soon as he shoots, we retreat. Just a little bit, not far. Because you want that Apollo to stop attacking. As soon as you stop, he goes back. Now we're going to clear out the whole base. We're just going to shoot right there, and it's all gone. Don't worry about the Hades. Hades will do nothing. Ignore them. Don't need to kill him. Okay? He's gone. All this is gone. Boom. Now we got to get rid of the flood. 1 shot. Okay? That's all gone. Now we got to clean out this back corner. Don't go any deeper in here. You go deeper in here and he will move. You don't want him to move. That's it. All that's gone with one shot. Boom. Forget the Hades. Now we take out the rest of the base. Just shoot the tower. Don't get close to him. Don't get close to him, and they won't move. Because those are Drakens, and they will kill your jug. That's it. It's done. Now let's go clear out the other side. Same thing. Ignore the Hades. They don't need to kill them. We're just about done. How much time we got? Lots of time. 3 minutes. We're going to come up here. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to shoot over here. And then we're going to retreat so that the Apollo doesn't come and shoot us. You get a little bit of damage. As you can see, there's not much. The key is where you shoot. And then retreat every time. But just retreat just enough to get the Apollo to stop. Okay, that's it. Let's take it out. We get a little bit of damage here with these guys. As soon as he shoots, retreat. And the Apollo will start moving. As soon as he stops, stop, Apollo retreats. Shoot here, and the Apollo's dead. I have one goal. The less damage, the better. Okay, this is all gone. So Apollo's gone. He can't hurt me. Now I shoot here to get rid of all the drones. Just wait. Be patient. Don't be in a hurry. Boom, they're gone. Now we're just going to go over here. And we're going to shoot here, and it'll clear out the whole base. And you have just got your... There, that's it. Shoot here, and the base is done. And the Draken, he'll start to move, but we'll be long gone by the time he gets there. See, you woke him up, he's starting to move, and we are gone. And you got your 2 tokens. What did we get? Cyclops. That's how easy it is. And that, oh, look at this. There's a problem. He wanted to steal that base from me. I should just kill him. Nah, I probably shouldn't. Okay, that's it. Enjoy.